I think like one thing I realized din kasi is na, well, it's if it's a theme I have, it's also a theme that you might not necessarily have. But does that mean that because it's not natural, if it's not your like wiring to be like that you again like going back to the making excuse, hindi naman talaga ako ganun eh. No, I mean it's again to the best of your ability nga eh. Parang what can you do about it? And like in the future, if you make a promise and alam mo you cannot keep it, then don't make the promise. And we see that every election. You can see like all of the platforms just for the sake for just so that they can win the vote. Pero without like considering, is it even possible? Posible ba talaga na 20 pesos yung per kilo ng bigas? No, it's not. I mean like, but you go up on stage, you say that like obviously to sell yourself to voters. And then when it happens, it's like, ay, hindi pala kaya. Like then you shouldn't be making those kinds of promises. I guess like again, I'm not gonna assume that I know what happened behind closed doors. Pero nag-research ba talaga if it's possible? Alam mo yun, parang or kasi naisip mo lang na magandang promise to, maraming mag-vote sa'yo kung ganito yung pinamis mo.
Totoo.
Yeah, so like, yeah. Alam mo, like,
Patrick.
Yeah, I mean, I was just like thinking out loud, no? What would it be like if from a democracy standpoint, no? What if we didn't just have like we had elections but we didn't have campaign periods na lang kaya? Alam mo yun, parang let's look at track record.
Yeah.
And then 'di ba? Like wag ka nang magbudots and don't make these promises. Yeah, kasi we know for a fact that like 95% of these promises are going to be broken.
Yes, that's why we go again to making converting our boys to become real men who fulfill their promises, who honor their word, who focuses on not only looking good but doing good, no? Character over reputation. Kasi we always see this. It's election time na naman. Promises, and yung mga nagpa-promise ngayon na gustong kumandidato, they have been in public office for decades and they have done nothing. So, tama ka, I agree with it. Let's just look at their track record. Ano ba nagawa nila during that time instead of looking what they are again promising to us? Kasi another point with the promises, no? For example, yung 20 pesos per kilo ba 'yon ng bigas?
Yeah.
Kung hindi kaya, at least you've done an effort to push for it to achieve that goal. Kahit na hindi mo maabot yung 20 pesos per kilo. We know PRRD had a controversy with the war on drugs, but that is not the only project or policy that he had. He had a lot of projects, no? We have the build, the environmental cleanup. Boracay, Manila Bay, nilinis na niya yan. Na napakatagal na bago, basura kasi yan, Manila Bay dati eh. Puro basura yan ngayon, nalinis. Ewan ko lang ngayon kung ano nangyari. Boracay also.
It's okay pa naman. I was there a few, yeah.
Well, see?
Not as previous before, but it's still
but you know, remember PRRD promised that in 6 months, wala na drug problem. Di ba he promised that one? Pero hindi niya na-fulfill. But the people saw that he was working towards that goal. He promised the moon, di ba? But we landed in the stars. Parang at least may nag-improve. There are 1.5, for example, million drug addicts that were rehabilitated and surrendered. There are a lot of collateral damage, we understand that, but there's a lot of meddling from media. Remember, we talked about the reliance on just the mainstream media. They can just create stories. Anyway, going back, no, even if when you promise something, no, you need to follow through. Even if you won't be able to fulfill it 100%, kasi a lot of the circumstances are not within your control.